Hello everyone, you are welcome on Heroes Overflow. Today we will see um, what is AWS Cloudshell and how to use. Here we can search for Cloudshell here, or there is an option here top you can see I hover then Cloudshell. It's not available in all regions, supported regions. You can see there is a list. So I am using Asia Pacific Mumbai here. This is AP South one, and that is inside the list. So let's search for cloud sale, and then here we can use it. Also, we have one another option, that is this one. So I will click here, and here you will see open in a new browser tab. I'll just click that, and it is here. So I am inside home and then cloud sale user. Here you will see AP South 1 is the region. We can add a tab using here, or also here is action drop down. You can select from new tab and open a new tab. Also, we'll see other option later. So let's do one thing, to cd, first create a directory, then ls, then go into into directory, then ls, then it is nothing here, so just create a file, then ls. We have one file, errors overflow.txt. Now here we can split this into rows, split into columns. We can download the file. Let's download the file. Click on the download. We can enter my text file name or folder, then file name. We are inside directory, so first we'll have to select folder, then file name. So just to pwd, and we'll see the path. Just copy it and action, then click on download file, then just enter, then here enter the file name, then download. Here file is downloaded. Also we have another option to upload a file. Just click on upload file, and I'll upload this file, hariram.txt, and this is uploaded to home/cloudshell user. So just to cd, then dot, then pwd. We are inside home, then cloudshell user. Just to ls, and here you will see hariram.txt file is present. So this is how you can upload the file. Also, we can split this into rows, then split we can do into columns. like this we can do, and we can use that. Okay. uh then we can do restart. We need to restart. So it is saying the starting AWS cloud shell will immediately stop all your active cloud shell sessions. So it will take time. So as to restart, stopping the environment, it will stop the environment, and again it will restart. It is restarted. It is something similar to AWS CLI. So if you do here AWS, so here we can see, if you have not installed AWS CLI, then you can use this one, uh, AWS hyphen version. So here this is saying AWS CLI 2.27.8, Python, Linux, like this. So uh, it is like of AWS CLI. If you have not installed AWS CLI in your system, then you can use it. If you want to install AWS CLI and you don't know how to in Windows, then I have a separate video. Just click on the I button on the top. You will get the video, and you can install the AWS CLI. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Errors Overflow.